Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Sharma and my student ID is 303888201. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about the maze game we have done in assignment from start to finish, how the gameplay works and how this was implemented. We're going to also explain the role of design patterns in the game, clearly identifying the functionality where design patterns have an impact and how it has occurred. And finally, we will discuss about the analysis on the use of development methodology in creating the game, describing how did this assist to make the development of the game more complicated. So before we start, we will quickly discuss about the maze game. So introduction. A maze game is a kind of puzzle in which players move through a difficult and branched pathways to reach a specific target location. Now, this game is built according to assignment requirement provided and explained in our lectures. Whatever we have studied in our lecture slides, we have discussed all of them in here. This game includes a pair programming. Maze game needs player to move while dodging hazards and reach particular target. Maze game can be created on paper. Computer program is also used to create this game. Different software applications can be used to create maze game. We have also created 3D maze in this assignment, in this product. So that's the methodology in this assignment we have used. This game will be regarded as a 2D integer array. The array's numerical values will be interpreted in accordance with following conventions. These are the conventions which we have used. We also have drawn some sequence diagrams which we will see further in the presentation. So let's talk about algorithm. Exploring all routes is a clear strategy. This strategy will be complex and will not be scaled effectively. Depth first search is another name of this algorithm. This algorithm is as follows. Return failure if we are not at wall or node that will previously been visited. Alternatively, if we are at the exit node, return success. If not, include a node in path list and iterate through forward directions. Remove the node from path and return failure. And when an exit is located, a distant part will be included in the list. That's the class diagram which we have also submitted in our assignment in Word file. That's the class assignment we have done. And this one is the sequence diagram which we have submitted in our assignment file as well. Let's talk about implementations. In conclusion, this project gives thorough outline for creating a maze game. We have learned how to play a game. To primarily graph the algorithm, depth first search and depth first search were discussed. Depth first and breadth first search was discussed. BFS offered quickest path from enters to exit. We also learned about conditional statement array type casting. Our testing is important as it enables us to find out whether or not the code is effective when it is being used in production mode. Further, we will talk about some features which we have done in our assignments. Basically, there are 6 to 7 features which we will discuss them one by one. At each level operation, that will be conducted includes fill value, define key, level interface. Further, we have system feature 2. Interface classes, like there are to get a response from location, there are two classes which we have used. One of them is image client and second one is image data. There are sufficient items which has been provided. Item class is extended by armor, shield and weapon classes. All this will be provided extra attribute while playing the game. The system feature 4 is non-playing role will also get additional features including to the character attribute. Command class has been enhanced by adding different commands which will provide maze game with important functionality. Different management tasks are controlled by these instructions. It allows displaying all held, also wearing and using of held items. It will ensure that weight limits are not exceeding, and that was the main thing which we have to take care of. that the weight is never exceeding. Weight, item weight, value and descriptions are collectively to recharge life points. And furthermore, about talking about system design, in which we have built a map, sequence diagram is given to show how system is linked, and a class diagram is also shown. For discussing about the test cases, most class methods have used J unit tests, and they are properly executed as well. Finally, maze game using a list is simple to operate and very user friendly. Game description attributes have been implemented. Thank you.